Hello everyone! I'm going to take a break from iPad today, and I will feature my Apple Watch instead. I drew a picture of the Apple Watch in the video a little while ago, and I talked about how I wanted to get a stainless steel band. I started wanting it so badly, so I decided to buy it. The one I'm wearing right now is a sport band, but I bought the stainless steel band. I'm planning on wearing it today as I open this up. Besides the stainless steel band, I also bought other accessories, so I'll wear them together with the watch and see if I can wear the Apple Watch fashionably. I bought this new band because I was looking for pictures of the Apple Watch band on Pinterest to draw. As I was searching, I found a picture of a woman's hand wearing the Apple Watch with other accessories very well, and I thought they looked really good. In this picture, she's wearing the Apple band with delicate accessories like pearl and goldish accessories. I wanted to do the same thing, and so that's why I went for shopping. If you wanted to search for pictures like this, you could type Apple Watch in Pinterest and they'll probably come up. If they don't, you can type in Apple Watch accessory or Apple Watch bracelet and they'll probably come up. This one may be a little over the top. I think this gold stainless steel band or silver accessories go well with the watch, so please try them. I recommend this especially for girls, and if any girls are planning to buy the watch, use this as a reference. By the way, the Apple Watch I have is the Apple Watch Series 40mm, the one with a smaller screen. I bought the smaller one. Although I have bigger hands, I think 40mm is big enough for women. For men, I think the bigger one, a 44mm watch might be better, but for women, the smaller one is better. Even with this, I can see the full screen, so if you're thinking of buying, please refer to this. Right now, I'm showing you a picture of Miranda Kerr on the screen. I thought it would be cool to wear a simple tank top with a lot of accessories and the Apple Watch like her, so I decided to show you this time. I couldn't find everything I wanted to get, but I managed to get some gold bands. Well, they're not bands, bracelets. This time I bought 3 bracelets when I went to a seminar in Osaka. I wandered around some shops where I visited before and bought them there. I'll wear them later. I bought this Apple Watch stainless steel band at the Apple Store in Kyoto. The Apple Store in Kyoto opened recently, about a year or 2 years ago. This was my second time visiting the store, and it's a really good place. I shot inside the store using my iPhone, and I will display the video on this iPad screen. And as I do that, I will open the package of the Apple Watch. For those who've never been to the Apple Store in Kyoto, you can see how I wear these while looking at the iPad screen. Now let's get started. When you open the package, the band is stored in a very simple way, so you can peel this off and wipe it. I bought this gold band since the gold band is pink gold, like reddish gold. I don't really like yellowish gold, but this one is like beautiful dull pink gold, which blends well with girl skin color, and that's why I wanted it. This one I'm wearing now is a whitish gray sport band. I bought it before, but I'm already getting bored with it, so I will take this off. You can take this off easily as you press this button. It's really easy to put this band on. You can do that easily by sliding this from here. You can do this on the opposite side as well. It's very nice because once you wear it, unless you press the button, it won't come off. It's complete like this. Talking about the Apple Watch itself, its screen frames are made of aluminum. There are two types, one made of aluminum and the other one made of steel. The aluminum one is cheaper. I thought the aluminum one and stainless steel band wouldn't match very well, but they look good together. They're similar in color, so they look nice. I'm wearing them now, but they look very simple and they match really well with my skin color. They kind of give me a sense of luxury, though I'm not so sure. One of the functions I always use is the use of iPhone camera by remote control by Apple Watch. As you use the camera on the Apple Watch, the iPhone camera application will also start and you can operate it through remote control. This watch also had an exercise function. I exercise a lot. What this watch does is it records how much I moved, how many calories I burned, and etc. And you can view these records in your iPhone and Apple Watch since the watch is connected to your iPhone. And on the day I went to buy the watch, I was wandering around the store and I went to many places to get accessories, so this activity ring got really hectic. It went around about 2 times on that day. This records later how much I moved like this. That's about it, I think. Also, the clock function. It functions well as a clock. For these reasons, I'm using the Apple Watch. Next, I'm going to open the package of the accessories. This time I bought about 3 accessories. I don't really have a preference for specific brands, so I bought this for around $20 to $30 at random accessory shops nearby. Now I will open this. By the way, this is a side story. I went to the Apple Store in Kyoto this time, but there's been news that a new Apple Store will open in Marunouchi in Tokyo. It opens on September 7th near the Tokyo station. It will be one of the biggest stores in Japan, and so I'm really excited about it. When it opens, I'm planning to visit there. Also, some of you had questions for me like, I want to buy a new iPad, but should I buy it now or should I wait? I receive a lot of questions like this. And I heard a rumor that maybe next month, a new iPad OS will come out as well as a new iPad. But even if it's announced, I doubt that will be available very soon. I think if it's an iPad Pro, it's okay to buy it now. But if you're wondering whether you should get a standard iPad, you should probably wait a little more. I don't think the new iPad Pro won't come out. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but please take this as a reference. I managed to open the package for bracelets now. There are 3 delicate gold and silver bracelets and a bit sturdy gold bracelet. In addition to these, I wanted a pearl round shape and whitish bracelet, but I couldn't find it. I'm thinking of getting it later, but for now I just got the gold one. But I think it looks pretty with just these gold ones. It's very simple, a little bit shiny, and looks great. I have a lot of simple clothes and I always move around in t-shirts and jeans, so I thought accessories can be a little over the top. I'm still after a pearl and white bracelet, so if I buy them, I will definitely let you know. Now I want you to look at the iPad screen. I became friends with some guys working at the Apple Store in Kyoto, and I asked them if they could subscribe to this Amity YouTube channel. They said it's totally fine and actually found out they already subscribed, and I was really thankful. The guy next to me also subscribed to my channel. they didn't know this girl who was at the store and Amity sensei were the same person because I don't show my face on my channel. That's understandable. They look very surprised. Then this guy showed me a receipt. By the way, this stainless steel band was $180 including tax. It cost a lot. I was a bit surprised. I could buy a keyboard for iPad with $180. Well, I wanted it this time, so I think I made the right decision. I think it was worth buying. Lastly, I'm going to wear the ring. I have a gold ring, and I think if you wear it, it gives you a sense of uniformity and makes you look more fashionable. This ring is from Hirotaka, which is a brand. They sell unique and fashionable rings, and I recommend Hirotaka to girls. I'll post some information in the description box down below. Now it's complete. I finished changing. What do you think? I think it will look better with more white elements. If I have a pearl bracelet, it'll make this gold stand out and will give a better impression. I'll keep searching for them while looking at these pictures. I think holding the iPad with the hand looks cool. I put this ring at the back of my iPad. I always put my finger through it and draw pictures. It looks like a 3-strand ring when I put my finger through it. When I start drawing like this, how shall I put this? This space gray and gold look great together. I think it looks great. It gives you a feeling of richness, or it gives you a sense of luxury. The Apple Watch Sport Band with this iPad Space Gray looks too boyish, so if you have gold or white elements, I think it will look more girly and better. I recommend this especially to girls. I try not to, but I'm always surrounded by gadgets and look more boyish. So I want to use Apple products as a girl, at least on this kind of occasion. That's it for today. This is kind of random, but there's an iPad right where you enter the Apple Store in Kyoto. When I visited there, I opened Procreate and left a message for iPadmate members. If you go to the store, please take a look at it. I'll be very happy if you find it, though it might be deleted the next day. I tried to send it in JPEG through AirDrop, but apparently you can't use AirDrop for the iPads on display, so I couldn't post it. If you find it, please take a screenshot and let me know. Okay, let's stop here for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I covered the Apple Watch today, but I usually talk about creative ways of using iPad on this channel. So please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye!